So in this video I'm gonna show you how to change name for your AirPort by Apple using app AirPort utility on iPhone. So in order to do that, let's open our app. From here we'll need to locate our device. It's right here, Hard's AirPort Extreme. Simply click on it. Now go for edit, and firstly you will need to enter the password right here. There should be setting show password. I already typed my password, so I'm not seeing it, but you probably will. Then enter the password and you'll be able to click on edit. From here go for base station. Now name, you can change it right here. Simply press on it and let's call it AirPort simply, like that. Then done and done again. Update. Now it will be updating, and after the process is complete the name will be changed. We can help it with by restarting the app. Now let's open it again. If the device doesn't load right here, we might need to check our Wi-Fi networks. So let's go for the Wi-Fi's. And from here connect to the device, and it should be visible right here, and as you can see the name is changed to the AirPort. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.